November 2025 Diet Testifiers. Are you ready? I present to you the key you need to crush ICAN Case Study this November diet. It's time for Overcome Almighty Case Study with Omodesola 2.0. Now, this class is going to run for 3 weeks and it's divided into 2 batches. The first batch will kick off from the 28th of July and run until the 17th of August 2025, and the second batch will kick off in September. Now, what are we going to cover for these 3 weeks? We're going to cover the entire case study syllabus. We're going to do past questions. Yes, we're not just going to touch hypothetical questions. We're actually going to touch and solve real past questions. Well, I'm going to be teaching you how to write reports. I'm going to be teaching you all that case study entails. We're going to be having weekly quizzes, and you'll be added to a WhatsApp group page where you can ask your questions and we'll tackle your ICAN case study challenges together. Now, I know you have work, I know you have classes, I know you have everything. So there's a lot of flexibility in this. Every week, every Sunday, I'm going to do a summary video that'll cover everything that we touched that week, and I'll also be sharing a document that covers it as well. So even if you missed classes anytime, maybe you couldn't join 1 or 2 classes, you're all covered. I got you. I'm going to create a video. I'm going to share the document so you are still covered. And the beauty of WhatsApp is that you can always go over the messages again. So it's a win-win situation, right? Now, let's skip to the best part. The best part is that for all this, you just have to pay 5,000 naira only. Just 5,000 naira, and you have the ticket to succeeding in ICAN case study exam this November diet. Now, if you are serious about joining the testifiers gang and the hashtag no grief for ICAN gang and the hashtag no more next diet, yes, that's our hashtag for this November diet, no more next diet. If you are serious about joining the gang, click the link in the description box and or in the comment section and register. For more inquiries, you can contact me on the number on the screen on WhatsApp, and I'll be there to attend to you. It's hashtag no grief for ICAN season once again. Let's crush November diet together. All right, see you soon. Bye.